Alright, have a quick video here. Someone's interested in having like a Pi 3 with like a bunch of the fighting games and a fight stick, and sure enough I have this fight stick available, which is Street Fighter, the start and selector on the back. It's a Pi 3 with a 32 gig of just a wonderful group of games. It has a standard case with I have a Dreamcast sticker on it that gives it a little bit of, but also goes with the white. This thing has obviously all the main. If you hit select, go down to keys, and then go up from there. You can go to like the Street Fighters that are on here. And so we can just take a look at a couple Street Fighter games. Obviously that's the music for like the Nintendo. It's got the side art, it's got everything, and it just overall is fantastic. Let me get through the warning here. Put some coins in with the select button on the back. Hit start. Let's make sure you can see me in the camera view here. But I mean, this is like literally made for Street Fighter, so. Well, I tried to get it in there. There's just some quick Street Fighter action. Have to fight Mr. Sujano one of these days online or something with Street Fighter 5. He's a big Street Fighter fan. Alright, so hit these two buttons on the back, and there are all the other Street Fighters. I'm in the Super Street Fighter section now. Then you got the Alphas, Alpha 1, 2, and 3, the regular. Then over here, in either Final Burn Alpha, you got, oh gosh, you got your can't go wrong. Look for the Samurai Showdown. Oh, here's the Street Fighter 3s in this category, and then probably in this menu over here, there's an Art of Fighting. Art of Fighting 2 was one of the. Yeah, skip it. I forgot the Quebec combination here. Oh, wrong button. I forgot the buttons here. I got one special move in there. It's been a while since I played this one. So anyway, as you can see, it works. Hit start select, take you back out the main menu. Probably got your World Heroes, if you guys played those. And then of course you got pretty much everything. You got all your Nintendo games, all your Super Nintendo games that you can play, fighting games or whatnot. Just a great selection of maybe some. There's Tekken right there, Tekken 3. You can go in there and fight that. There's the Mortal Kombat's up here on PlayStation. Might be the that music's really catchy. This one shouldn't take. Unfortunately, you couldn't really skip through these. They're like, they wanted to show their logos off. You're like, alright, fine. Fine. Skip. Come on. Let's see. There he is.
Choose your destiny.
Enormous. Skip. Oh, never mind. This is a Pi 3, so I'm not sure how the PlayStation games out. Can't remember anyway. I've been using a Pi 4 for so long. Oh, okay, runs good. Yeah, well, anyway, you get the gist. This has got a just an amazing amount. It's good. You got fun. Got some Nintendo hacks and all games. 6,044 games on here. That's it.